This is the installation video for the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system on a Type 1 AA 375-pound duty-rated Werner 7100 series ladder. First, draw a line between the bottom pair of rivets, mark the center of the rivet, and then draw a line across. Then you want to offset that original line by 1/8 of an inch down. Please note that this mark is very important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and is the official reference point for the remaining 2 holes that will be drilled into the ladder rails for proper mounting. You want to mark your center line at 1 5/8 of an inch. You're going to make 2 marks. And then draw the center line. Make sure to emphasize that first mark. There is a left side and a right side to the Levelok base unit. The left side has an L on it and the right side has an R on it. The right side base unit should be installed on the rail that is located on a person's right side when standing in front of the ladder just before climbing. Use the Levelok Quick Connect base unit to mark 3 points. There are 4 holes on the base unit, but you don't use the hole closest to the shoe. Align the Levelok base unit with the up facing the top of the ladder and use the 1/8 of an inch offset mark to align with the second to last hole on the base unit. Drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole at each of these marks. And then enlarge this initial hole with an 11/32 bit. Make sure that you have a clean, smooth surface so that the bolt will slide smoothly through. Place 2 small drops of the provided metal adhesive on the aluminum spacer plates. Glue a single spacer plate to the Levelok Quick Connect base unit at each bolt hole, and the bottom spacer is installed parallel to the rail. Attach the Levelok Quick Connect with bolts and washers. Use 3 of the included 1 1/4 inch length mounting bolts for each base unit. You'll slide the bolts through the base unit. Then you'll use 1 square washer and 1 round washer on each bolt, except that the bottom bolt mounts directly on the rung to plate connection without any additional washers. And you'll use the square washer and the round washer on the 2 top bolts. Securely fasten all the nuts with a ratchet or a wrench. After the base unit is installed, with all fasteners, washers, and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, line up the 3 mounting knobs on the rear of the leveler. Insert into the 3 keyholes and slide the leveler upward to snap lock into position. Then insert the detent pin that is attached to the lanyard. Next, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all of Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock, so if there is any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second Levelok base unit on the opposite rail by following the same directions. After you've finished installing both Levelok base units, the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system is ready to be used.